everybody's thing together and make a whole toy store, but everything's free, and you can just get everything free.
Everything would be free.
It's a pretty cool idea. We could take the different boxes and make different kinds of toys.
Is that like your dream? Like everything's like the whole world is a toy store and everything's free? Give me 5, dude.
Then we. That's the best idea.
That is a very good idea.
Yeah, but we can't make it because it's only a ton of boxes.
Well, how many boxes would we need for his idea?
100 infinity.
No, we can just grab a box.
Actually, just 100.
The box back here, and then everybody will bring the things, and then if they want to bring a box, they can bring it.
Are you saying that each person should have their own box to decorate?
Right there.
Everybody can have something.
I didn't see your hand up.
And even a lamp.
I had filled up my whole paper too.
One lamp.
What would you guys think about maybe putting it out in the hall and painting it today or something? Would we want to paint it?
Well, we would have to decide on what we're doing first. We don't know if we're doing a castle or a rocket ship
Or Jack in the Box?
Carousel.
That was my idea.
Okay, hey guys,
Everybody sit on the bottom?
are you guys giving up? Are you tired?
Yeah, well, let's support it.
Hey guys, let's think about it in our little brains and let's just look at it. Let's experience. Let's feel the box. And then tomorrow maybe we can vote on what we're going to do.
I know what we're going to do.
Yes, Avery.
Only make a car.
Avery. Excuse me. Excuse me. Avery.
Sit on your bottoms, guys.
A carousel. That's another good idea. No, you guys are going to have to figure out what you're going to do.